Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How do you play Discord games?
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To begin playing Discord games, follow these steps. Start by opening the Discord application and logging into your account. Ensure that you've joined a Discord server on your PC. Next, navigate to your chosen server and choose your preferred voice channel. From there, click on Start an activity to access the available games. Choose your desired game and initiate it by clicking on it. And that's it. You're ready to enjoy Discord games.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.